What if human minds could be uploaded into machines? A world where digital brains replace human workers, would this be a utopia or a dystopia? Today, we explore The Age of M by Hanson, a bold vision of a future where AI-driven emulated minds, or EMS, rule the world. How will work, relationships, and society change? Stay with us to uncover the mind-blowing possibilities. Imagine a future where your brain can be copied into a computer. These digital beings, called EMS, think, work, and even live like us. But here's the catch: they never sleep, working 24/7. They can be paused, copied, or deleted instantly. Companies will hire EMS instead of humans, cheaper, faster, more efficient. Would you choose to upload your mind? Or is this future too extreme? A world of emulated minds is radically different. Cities will be built for machines, not humans. Time moves faster for EMS, weeks for them could be seconds for us. Even love and family could change, as EMS form new digital relationships. Hanson argues that this future is not science fiction, it could happen sooner than we think. Are we ready for a world where humans are no longer the dominant species? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-expanding discussions on AI in the future.